Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Recently I went to the Kannapolis Cruise in Kannapolis, North Carolina. And first off, how awesome is this Bel Air? I had no idea what to expect going to the Kannapolis Cruise In. I've always heard a lot about it, living in the area, but never attended. And so this, when I got there, absolutely couldn't believe it. First, these buildings was in the research park area of Kannapolis, and those buildings are amazing. And this whole area used to be where the old Pilatex factory used to be in Kannapolis. So they've done a great job of renovating the whole area and changing things around. Obviously, I'm a big Pontiac Firebird fan, and I love when they have the old stickers on there. Just love the history of that. But there was so many just awesome vehicles at this car show. They say that there can be up to 500 classic cars at this car show or at this cruise in. And I believe it. There may have been 500 the day I was there. It was a beautiful day in March, and it was a perfect setup for a cruise in because it's like this big oval road going all the way around, and there were cars lined up on both sides of the road. Some were like two or three stacked deep, and as you can see, there was a bunch of cars just rolling into the show as I got there, and I got there pretty early, so I can't even imagine how many cars were there, like in the middle of the actual show. Love this Fox Body Mustang. Always a big Corvette fan, and there was a ton of Corvettes and Mustangs there. And I absolutely love IROC-Z's. I think this is going to be the classic car that I end up getting for myself here fairly soon. But what a great cruise in. If you're ever in the area and you're in the area on a Saturday when this is going on, I can't recommend this cruise in enough. I could have spent easily a good couple hours, and I could have gotten a lot more footage of this cruise in, but my phone was about to go dead, so I tried to get as much footage as I possibly could. Um, Let me know in the comments which of these cars is your favorite. It's hard for me to choose just rewatching all of this, but um, like I said, great cruise in. I'm gonna stop talking. You enjoy the rest of these cars, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And look forward to making more videos for you guys because there are so many awesome car shows in the area.